Okay, now we're going to go to the problem-solving page. When we have a word problem, we read it, but we also underline what we already know. Okay, so the little boy's name is Brian. Brian saw 5 foxes in a field. He saw 3 other foxes in the woods. We underline what we know. We circle what we need to know. How many foxes did Brian see in all? Okay, so first he saw 5 foxes. Then he saw 3 foxes. If we add those together, we're going to get the answer or the sum. Okay, so I can use counters or I can draw circles. 5 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Or I can use the big number in my head, start with it, and add 3. I could count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And we make sure we label it with the answer, the word foxes. How many foxes? 8 foxes. Okay, moving on to the next problem-solving question. Nate found 4 bugs. Pablo, another boy, found 1 fewer bug than Nate. Okay, so Nate, you can always draw pictures. Nate found 4 bugs. Pablo found 1 fewer, which means less. 1 less bug than Nate did. So if I take away 1 bug from Nate, that means that Pablo only found 3 bugs. So Nate found 4 and Pablo found 3. So the sum, the answer is 4 bugs plus 3 bugs equals 7. I can count them. Or all together, both boys found 7 bugs. And we make sure we label it. Oh, boys and girls, I forgot to circle the question. How many bugs did they find all together? Okay. This you don't have to write, but I really want you to pay attention to this. How is adding down different from adding across? Okay, that's what we've been learning about in this lesson. How is adding up and down different from adding across? Well, if you don't have to write this, just watch. If you are adding the same numbers, I'm going to try to stay in the lines. Dotted line, bottom line for small letters. Top line, bottom line for tall letters. If you're adding the same numbers, you will get the same answer whether you add, I'm just going to draw arrows, up and down or across, because I ran out of room. You will get the same answer whether you add up and down or across. Doesn't matter if you add across or up and down, as long as you're adding the same numbers together, you will get the same answer. Okay? So when you're adding, you can write it across or you can write it up and down. It's not going to matter. Okay? If you have any questions, you need to let your teacher know or your parents, and we will make sure you understand. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.